Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well today. So, if you've been on Instagram, there's a guy on there, this 40-year-old guy or that 40-year guy, whatever, and he shows you how to do things that are not normally done. Well, here I got corn on the cob. Now I've been doing it on the grill and the air fryer, boiling it, whatever. It takes 30 minutes. Well, tonight I'm going to show you how to do it in 5 minutes. We'll come right here. All we're going to do is cut two ends off. We're going to leave the shucks and the silks in it. We're going to put it in the microwave. And all we're going to do is this right here. We'll cut the ends off. And all these scraggly green shucks. Take those off, and if there are any shucks that just fall off, we're going to take them off like that. Here's what we got. 5 minutes in the microwave. And this is an 1100 watt microwave. If you have a 700 or 900, it's going to be different. If you got a 1300, don't cook it that long. In 5 minutes, it's going to come out nuclear hot and perfect. We're going to come back in 5 minutes. Y'all stay with us. Okay, 5 minutes is up. Just pulled it out. Screaming hot. Now, on the Instagram video, they show you just cutting the end off of it and squeezing it out. I hadn't been able to do that. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pull the silks off of it. And like I said, it is screaming hot, so always be careful with this. One thing about it, the silks come off really easy. Oh God, it's hot. Whew. So there you have it, right there. 5 minute corn cob, which is actually about 6 minutes, but delicious. Love it. Never do it on the grill or boil it or air fryer ever again. So anyway, hope y'all like this video. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified. If you've done this before or you have a different way that you like to cook corn, let me know about it. But anyway, hope you guys are having a great day and a great week. And until the next video, thanks for watching. Supper time.